Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after we stop using our device. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and find the option called Display and Brightness. And once you find it, tap on it to enter. Here, scroll down and find the option called Timeout. And once you find it, select it. And here we have the list of durations. We have 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 15 seconds. So select the one you like. For example, 15 seconds. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I don't touch the screen or the buttons, the screen will turn off after 15 seconds. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.